LadyBoss appeared on my Facebook feed at a time where I desperately needed a change in my life. I grew up as someone who was always high energy, super sparkly, super fun, energetic. And all of a sudden I found that I was hiding behind people in pictures, and I wasn't sparkly anymore, and I just sort of had become the fat friend in my group. And I hated to be like the person that was known for Nancy loves food and Nancy loves her nachos, instead of being someone that was known for health and fitness. And honestly, I was trying to get ready for a date night with my husband that should be a super happy time and exciting. And I went in my closet and I was trying things on, and absolutely nothing fit the way I wanted. I felt just ugly and gross, and I cried, and I came out and I was like, we can't even go. We're not even going out. I can't go out like this. And it was that night actually that Kaelin appeared on Facebook feed, and I thought, I think this is it. I think this is the program. I think I found it. And so I signed up that night. I took my my start day picture the very next day, and I signed up for LadyBoss Live immediately after that, and attended the first LadyBoss Live that October.
Wow. Okay. So before you started LadyBoss, what would you say were your biggest struggles? What was holding you back?
Food, love of food, and just not really caring, and sort of having all family get-togethers center around eating. It was like, where are we going to go out to eat? We get a treat. Let's go get ice cream. Somebody did good. Let's go celebrate. Let's get pizza. I also felt like if nobody else saw what I was eating, then it didn't really count. And I had even gone to like Chick-fil-A and gotten 2 Chick-fil-A's before, and eaten one before I took the rest home to my family so that they could have their Chick-fil-A. So I had 2. And I didn't think much of it. It was Chick-fil-A. And it just kind of snuck up on me.
So once you kind of got started, what made you decide? It was the date night was primarily what made you decide you had to make a change?
That was the moment where I knew I had to make a change. I had gone to the doctor and found my blood pressure was high. They had me stand on the scale at the doctor's office, and I didn't even want to see what the scale said. And I kind of had sort of accepted what my weight was at this point, but I didn't feel good. I was tired, and I was tired of feeling tired. And at the time I had, 2 even younger boys then, and boys are active. And I definitely was not at my peak performance of going out and playing games with them and playing ball with them. And I was not being the role model mom and giving them the nutrition that they need and setting a good example for them.
Okay. So externally, what did you want to change? Wanted to lose the weight, but was there other factors that were
I wanted to lose the weight. I wanted to gain self-confidence, because I love pictures. I love having fun. I love being with friends. I love people, and I wanted to find me again. Like I said, I've always been the bubbly, energetic person. Anybody who knows me is like, she's so fun, life of the party. And I was not the life of the party anymore. And I wouldn't want to go out with friends because I didn't know what to wear, and I compared myself to others. And I wanted to stop comparing myself to others and be proud of who I was, and just find myself and be comfortable in my own skin again.
Okay. And what about internally? What do you think were there internal roadblocks that were kind of holding you back from doing what you wanted to do?
I don't have a story that is a sad upbringing or anything that's tragedy that led me to eating a ton of food. And I guess that's a good thing and a hard thing. It's like I didn't have something that I just needed to deal with this one thing and then I would be on track. Mine was just a love of life and a love of food, and I just overindulged. So I had to just learn healthier ways to be, and healthier habits to get in place.
So how did you get started? started? What did you start doing first? What were the actions that you took to help make your changes happen?
I started tracking the food that I ate. I used the apps that they tell you to. I made recipes from the trainer. I started meal prepping. LadyBoss teaches so many things that are so valuable in all parts of your life. Like, just to get things done and to stop making excuses are just absolutely huge. Lady bosses find a way, and I just learned to find a way and not make excuses about it. I don't let a day go by that I don't get my workout in. I feel better, and I'm a nicer person. I'm a better person to everybody if I'm working out. And so Lady Boss told me how to work out and muscle groups and what to eat and how often to eat. And so I feel like I eat more often, but I'm eating the right foods and I'm eating to fuel my body rather than just eating for pleasure.
Okay. All right. And so after you first got started on your journey, were there conflicts that you encountered?
Oh, there's always conflicts. Definitely. You're going to have good days and bad days with food. You're going to give in to pizza sometimes. You're going to eat healthy food, and then you're going to eat too much of things, just too much portion, too large of a portion. I have a love of peanut M&Ms that I have to battle from time to time. But just recognizing that and knowing that not to waste time and saying, well, I'll get back on track on Monday, but the very next thing you put in your mouth, have it be water, have it be a positive thing, a good thing nutritionally wise that you put in your mouth.
So what goals have you achieved as a Lady Boss?
I have lost almost 40 pounds. I have gotten my license to teach Zumba. I am CPR certified. I'm going through certification to be a health fitness coach now. And those are just the certifications. There's so many other things. I don't put things off anymore in my personal life. I make a plan to do something and I tackle it.
That's great.
And it trickles down to my family as well, because I've got two boys. One of them is more active than the other, and so my older son, I have him going to a personal trainer, and he is loving, gaining muscle, and he feels more confident, and he's making better food choices. So I feel like the choices that I'm making are helping my family as well.
Right. That's great. Okay. And you talked a little bit about the trainer, but are there other Lady Boss tools that you feel like helped you kind of put this all together?
Absolutely. The support system, the Lady Boss community. I'm in Lady Boss Results Coaching. I'm actually about to start my 3rd year of coaching. That's how strongly I feel about the coaching program.
Okay.
Absolutely love it. I have lifelong friends who have the same goals that I have, and they lift me up. I didn't know that there was a world in which women could lift other women up, and that is such a powerful thing. You can do so much more if you are supporting other people. My best friend in the world has seen the changes that I've gone through, and now she's a Lady Boss in the Lady Boss Coaches program. And so now our friendship includes more than just food. We have, health and fitness to talk about, and that has only just brought us closer.
That's great. So, what do you think other women like you need to hear about Lady Boss? What would you tell them? What would you tell them?
I would say what I do tell them is go all in. Absolutely, this gives you all the tools. When you are hoping to lose weight and gain confidence and accomplish goals and just feel better about yourself and feel more healthy, Lady Boss has it where the program is set up for you. They've done the hard work for you, and you don't have to do it alone. Lady Boss helps you can find a way easier with Lady Bosses, and you will learn to make no excuses. You'll have the nutrition component, the fitness component, the accountability component. You will have all that, and it makes your journey through your weight loss journey so much easier.
That's great. Okay. And so what's your favorite part about being a Lady Boss?
It's like my whole world. It's part of my identity. It's who I am, and it makes me feel powerful. I feel like I am a lady boss, and it's a badge that I wear with pride. And I've got lifelong friends. I talk with my Results Sisters groups and our Voxer tool. We talk multiple times throughout the day. We share our successes. We share our sweaty selfie pics after we go to the gym. There's just so much to gain and so many tools to help you every step of the way. And whether you are someone that just wants to tone up a little bit or you've got hundreds of pounds to lose, there is support in every step of the way, and the tools will help you in every step of the way.
Okay, so why do you think other women should become a lady boss?
Because we can be friends and be in the Lady Boss support group together. And it is a women supporting women group, and it's empowering. Lady Boss is empowering. It'll help you find a way. It'll help you stop making excuses. It will help you lose the weight you want to lose.
Is there anything else you want to say about Lady Boss that I haven't thought to ask you?
If I can mention the coaching program.
Absolutely, go ahead and talk about
Okay, the coaching program, I signed up for it the very first Lady Boss Live. I talk every day with my coach, every day with my Results Sisters. It gives an even more customized, tailored plan to help you follow. My coach knows what I'm going through in life and what trips I have and what roadblocks that I'm working through. And Lady Boss helps me, my coach helps me navigate my way so that I'm not hitting a huge pitfall before I realize it. So it's helping me stay on track. Amazing.